cloudy, been raining a couple of days. Trying a little experiment today. I put on my chest mount for my GoPro. I've never used it because it's really too small for my big body. Built more for some little small Chinese dude. But I thought I'd try it. I got a feeling it'll move up and down a lot when I breathe. I breathe heavy anyway. But my GoPro picture's been jumping around a lot when I wear them on my hat, so I thought we'd experiment with this a little bit. I'm out here by the deck, and I'm not going to get a whole lot done on the deck today, but I thought I'd at least get my patio chairs and table took down and clip some of them vines before I run out of deck to walk on that I'm ripping up. Get a little bit done today. Plus try out we're going to couple of clips with my GoPro chest mount. Show you over here in the truck how much wood I did the other day. If I have time, I might bring my angle grinder out here and cut all them nails off. I believe that would be easier than fighting with them to pull them. I'll just cut them off, especially them big nails like right there. These old rusty ones that are sticking up, and there's no way you could pull them without bending them anyway, so we're just going to clip them off with an angle grinder. That way I can continue to stack my wood up in the truck without having to take it out and redo it. If I keep throwing them in there with all them nails sticking up, pretty soon I'll have a tangled mess. So I need to clip the nails off as I throw them in the truck. And this particular type of wood here was what was used on top of the deck. I may be able to use some of it for outside wrap or something on my building. If I have to, I could frame with some of it, but I'm going to frame with the gooder lumber first, better lumber first. It's cracked and here, this would be a good example to show you. If you look at it close, it's deteriorated about a third of the way through. Still pretty strong wood. I broke that because I had 4 nails and screws and I ripped up on it real hard. Still got over 1 inch of fairly good quality wood in it. But let's get over here and put my gloves on. Let's get over here and take a little go at these, moving this furniture around. Got these trumpet vines all over the back of the building I need to cut off. All right, let's go work on this deck a little bit. Get a little bit done. well, let these vines take over this deck and all this furniture. Just made a lot of extra work for me. I've been having to clip vines like crazy just to get the furniture off the deck. Don't have a patio to put it on right now, so we're just going to put it over there. I'll never let vines grow up around this garage again. What a pain. Now that the deck's going to be gone, I can get out here in the spring with my round-up trailer and do my thing. All these chairs up here were completely entangled with vines. I got them all cut loose now. I need to move them after I rest. Well, I got a lot of stuff moved today. It wasn't a matter of just moving it. It was a matter of getting it untangled from these vines and then moving it. I'll rip out the vines as I go down through there pulling the boards up. I got one more big job up here on the deck. I'm not going to do it today. I need to take out that sand filter that's sitting up on the deck. Now that sand filter's got 500 or 600 pounds of sand in it. I'll have to shovel that out before I can move it. When I get to them hedge bushes that are down there growing completely out of control, it'll be time to get out the chainsaw. It looks like my roof is a little bit damaged up there. Maybe that's just the leaves piled up. Definitely the rain gutter's damaged. I gotta get away from these vines before I trip on one and fall in this hole. Okay, let's park our behind and call it quits for today. Alright, until next episode, this is Pwalpar signing off.